IELTS training. Think about it. The IELTS test is just like a puzzle or a game. Let us teach you the rules of the game. The better you understand the rules of any game, the better you will perform in the game. We want you to succeed. We offer certified IELTS classes, and the certification comes from the University of Cambridge. And our courses are only taught by native English speakers from Canada and the United States. And our IELTS classes are limited to only 3 people in each class, which means more focus is put on you. Let us help you solve the IELTS puzzle. Sign up today for your IELTS training.